I'm trying to get that you, my boy.
Yeah, you gotta get up.
Isn't her place nice? I'm putting your place all out there, but we're just gonna, you know, with the view.
I wish it was cleaner.
It doesn't matter though.
Is it already recording?
Yes, recording. Okay. The lighting is good in here though. Cheers.
That's why you need windows.
I know, that's why I made sure the place that I got had like lots of light in it. Cause I refuse, like I want to be able to not have to like, see how you don't have to use your light? Like that's like my...
What we cheers to? Okay, we cheers to
We're choosing to growth, financial wealth.
Stability and a new car.
And a new car. Yeah, okay. That's horrible. Why it tastes salty? I'm drinking the Truly Classic Lime.
It does give you margarita though.
It's 110 milligrams of sodium. Oh yeah, it does say margarita stuff. That's not too bad because a pack of ramen noodles has about...
Not the ramen noodles, and I like it.
A pack of ramen noodles has about like 1,000. I'm good already.
Please remain calm today.
You know how we're going. Tell me where we're going.
Is it dry bar or draw bar?
Draw bar.
Like with a W.
Yeah, like draw. Like I'm gonna draw on.
I feel like dry bar is better.
Dry bar.
Yeah. I feel like the name
of the tongue. If you were born in between the years of, I guess, 1985 and I'd say 1999. I'll give you credit for 1999. Then you know, like how the gushers hit.
Okay.
I had a manager one time where I told I was saying, do you like gushers? And he thought I was talking about something nasty. He was married and had a wife, and he was cheating on her with one of the girls that we work with. I mean, I add that in because she from my job can see that probably.
We had to edit out what job it was. You know what I'm saying?
And then they said jockey because they know on the shrew. Okay, we're here at Dry Bar. I think I'm doing the absolute most. Okay, so we're here at, what's this place called? Dry Bar. We're in the Draw Bar. I said Dry Bar. See, that's why I need to be Dry Bar.
I keep saying that because it sounds better.
We're here at Draw Bar. I'm gonna show you my outfit. I'm trying to give like, I just got off of work, but you know, she went to work and she cared about how she looked. This is that. Bottega, yep. Gucci, yep. No, I can't do that. I can't put that in there.
Why?
Because it sounds like obnoxious. Does that sound obnoxious?
Okay.
So for my gloss, we're doing Dior Chocolate Matte. Who is that? And this is a brown lipstick that just my lips with. Like that, so I look like a chica. There's this girl on YouTube. Her name was Little Loca.
Oh, so cute. You need behind the scenes. Okay.
And then I'm gonna use this gloss, this Maybelline Lifter Gloss. Well, you rub your lips first. And then I put this Maybelline Lifter Gloss on to like make everything blend in together. I don't know if I like this.
How we get in? Because we can't get in up here without a key, right?
Hey, what's that? There's a bar over there. What's that bar over there? What bar is that? Oh, that's Put Shack, right?
I went in the door and then I went up the stairs.
Alright. Okay. I feel like my lips need to be a little bit lighter. I feel like it's giving fall vibes. Are my lips giving fall vibes?
Say again, please.
Had a chance to stick around with a nigga, now you stuck. Got in my bag, now I'm up. Made a couple transactions last week and now I'm lit as fuck.
recording. We're at the Bell Yard.
Oh, it's recording?
Yes.
Girl, yeah.
Action.
Action.
I haven't had anything to eat either, but I've been drinking, so
I had half a salad salad today.
You had a salad today
Because we walked to the salad today. I want something unhealthy.
Me too. I'm about to do something unhealthy too. I want some pasta, something. Is that the drink menu? Yeah.
Listen better.
Wait, what is that? What are y'all listening to? It's vodka?
Baby says she love me. I don't trust, no way. Cause I'm up and you had a chance to stick around with a nigga, now you stuck. Got in my bag, now I'm up. Made a couple transactions last week and now I'm lit as fuck. You don't know what to do, how to invest. Try to take you out your situation, you just made a mess. You was playing checkers like you really playing chess. Getting rid of you, I swear that's my biggest flex. Yeah, I thought you wait for me. Tell me you want me, I had to see. Living my life crazy, now shame on me. She wanted no parts of me, c'est la vie. Yeah, yeah, c'est la vie. She wanna love on a nigga, c'est la vie. Too many times you went and changed on me. Now my life good, c'est la vie. All my ex bitches wanna blow me. Wanna blow me. Yeah, I might have to treat them like a broom and sweep them off their feet. Niggas really sleep.
Hey guys. So I am on my way to Walmart to get some boxes because I'm getting ready to move on Friday. And also I need to stop by, I want to stop by, oh my gosh, what's it called? Home Goods. I want to stop by Home Goods just to look for some lamps and stuff. I'm looking for the small stuff now. Like I bought my couch, my TV, console, rug, bar stools, you know, basic essentials for like my kitchen and stuff like that. Very happy, very excited about it. I feel like this is just a new chapter. I cannot wait to show you guys where I'm going to be living at. Excuse the appearance because I look so rough right now. Of course, I will give you guys like a quick little tour. I was debating whether or not I should make that video separate from this. I think I'm going to do that just because I think it's just nice to have there, just to have that separate. Because I know a lot of people just like to look at like houses or apartments or whatever. This chalk. Yeah, it's like for it's $4 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of chalk. It's $1. It's $1 per. It's $1 per chalk. This cute. These are very cute. I see these glasses that I'm looking at and they're actually really cute for like these plastic glasses. Only $2. I think I'm gonna get some. Just set it for. No, girl. No. No, I've never heard of it before. Get boxes. Like, yeah. These are cute. Just left out of Walmart. My main purpose of going in there was to get boxes, and I didn't get boxes. I did find towels because I do need towels. Like I just need some new washcloths Are wash rags and washcloths the same thing? All right, so I'm in Lowe's looking for moving boxes. I think it might be in the home organization area. Boxes, large, medium. Oh man, I need a cart. I need to get a cart. Okay, this is what Alice is. Excuse me. Sorry.
Decisions. Have a good one.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get the color one.
Hey guys, so today is Tuesday and I am actually in my new bathroom. I just moved in 2 days ago, but as you can see, like I have like so much going on in here right now. I still have boxes, so much boxes. I haven't even hung up any of my clothes yet. Like I have stuff all in boxes. I still gotta organize my cabinets and stuff. I'm not gonna leave it like this. I plan to get like storage, and I hate this right here. I hate when I put this little flap thing right there. It protects the camera, but yeah. So anyways, I still need to get storage for everything in here. I wanna do decorations. I have to get stuff for my shower stuff because it's on the floor right now. I just really want to decorate in here and make it look really, really cute. But yeah, there's still so much that sorry, that was down. There's so much that I need to do. I'm going to show you guys my bedroom too. This is my bedroom. Most of my furniture is, my bedroom furniture is not here. My couch, I'll show you my couch in a second. But like stuff is still in boxes. I have my bed set up. This comforter set is not gonna stay, but this is the bed I got. It's like this really pretty velvet material. Really, really like that. And then of course there's my apartment. Okay, and then we have my living room. I will do like a final apartment tour when I get a chance. Here is my console table. I just put my weights and yoga mat in here because I didn't have anything else. And then I have like some books and stuff. I was just trying to make it feel a little bit more like home. My sister got me these coasters. I have some books and stuff. But yeah, I'm not gonna like do a full rundown of everything, but this is what I got so far. My rug is from Overstock. and I really love it. But my couch, oh my gosh, let me tell you guys the story with this couch. Okay, so this is the couch that I ended up getting. I got this couch off of Wayfair. I think it's the Laguna 112-inch couch with chase and lounge. I absolutely love the way this couch looks. But when I ordered this couch, it said that it would take maybe 2 weeks to get delivered. After 2 weeks passed, I still had no update on my order. I think it said I was in Texas. So I was like, okay, it's moving, it's doing something. Anyways, long story short, fast forward, we're going on almost six weeks, and I finally got one piece of my couch. My couch was supposed to arrive last Friday, and it never showed up. Like, it was scheduled to be delivered last Friday, and it never showed up. So basically I had to say, hey, this is the piece that I received, call the number back, and then tell Wayfair, hey, I got the chase lounge part, but I just didn't get the chase. So my couch is supposed to be delivered, the rest of my couch is supposed to be delivered tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. I have so much lighting in here, which I really like as well. I've done a little bit of decorating, but there's just still so much to do. But so far, so good. I just hate moving. Okay, so it is a little bit later in the day. It is, you know, I don't even know what time it is because my phone is dead. But I ended up going to get some groceries at Walmart, and I picked up this really cute phone charger from Connect. And I thought it was really cute, like the fluorescent colors, and then it also comes with this Velcro thing that is attached, so you can kind of like, you know, make it tied up so that way the cords are not all over the place. So yeah, I have this, and then I saw this too. I don't know, for some reason this neon color was just speaking to my life. So I went ahead and got this because I need a new charger. I always lose chargers, so it is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and charge my phone, and I'll probably, I can get this out of here. Like, look at this. Tell me this does not look cute. Tell me this does not look cute. And it's like, feels soft. Like it has like a, I don't know how to describe this, but it just feels soft, and it comes with, you know, the little battery part that sticks out. Like, this is hard to lose. How do you lose something like this that's neon? You don't. I'm gonna go ahead and charge my phone, turn on some music on my TV, and put up my groceries.
Say again, please. Hakeem, we have a problem.
Had a chance to stick around with a nigga, now you stuck. Got in my bag, now I'm up. Made a couple transactions last week and now I'm lit as fuck. You don't know what to do, how to invest. Try to take you out your situation, you just made a mess. You was playing checkers like you really playing chess.
So kitchen is basically, well, groceries are basically put up. Kitchen is clean. I just kind of hand washed a little bit of dishes since I have them out. I'm tired, you guys. I think I really just want to sit on my one little piece of furniture that I had. My couch is supposed to be coming tomorrow, so hopefully it does. Hopefully Wayfair doesn't try to play me again. Yeah, I think that's it for tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna be decorating my daughter's bathroom tomorrow. I can show you what that looks like now. But this is her bathroom. Like, it's completely empty. Like, she, you know, like, we have a towel or two in here, but I got her like a bath mat and just a whole bunch of stuff to go in her bathroom. That is it for me, you guys. I'm so tired and my feet hurt. So I will see you guys in my next vlog. Also, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are not subscribed, please be sure to do so. I am posting videos now. I am inspired. Content is coming. It's going to be great. I can feel it. I know it. I'm speaking it into existence because it's gonna happen. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Stay blessed.